So I'm gonna try and plug it back in before it leaks all over the full runner. No, no, in the pickle jar, in the pickle jar. I should have got water out of this already. Uh-oh, we just pulled the whole thing out. You wanna eat it?
Yeah.
All right, welcome back. Today, we're gonna fix the clog in our AC unit. So what's happening is you're driving around, you hear this noise, and you're like, what is that? And then you let it go, right? You let it go for a couple months. Now all of a sudden, your blower motor quits working. There's a video for that. So you replace the blower motor, okay? It does it again. You hear the noise again. Okay, now you really gotta investigate. Well, normally when your car's running in hot Texas weather or any type of hot weather, you'll see this puddle of water underneath your car. That's all the condensation coming off your evaporator core, falling down into the plastic housing of your HVAC unit, right? And then it goes down into a tube and then outside onto the ground. Well, what happens after 20 years or so is you get enough gunk and sludge and everything else inside there that drain tube will clog, okay? On the 4Runner here, I'm gonna show you how to do it with coat hanger and a pickle jar. All right, we're gonna move this into the sun so I can get irritated, because we all know how well GoPros do in the sun. That should be okay. All right, so the best helper I've ever had. Will you hold this? Okay, so first thing you gotta do is remove your cover panel. I've already removed it, look at another video. It's real easy. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull our drain plug out of the firewall. Now, where's our pickle jar? Just in case something comes out already. But this is how it drains outside, okay? You can see nothing's draining right now. And it's looped inside this right here. Can you see that? See my finger? Okay, so then we can stretch it out. Now, the good thing about the coat hanger is that it's got some bumpies in there, and that'll help you get stuff out a little better. Now, what I might do is make a loop in this, but we'll poke it first and see. Oops. You better watch yourself. Might accidentally impale you. Okay, so you're pulling on it and pushing this through at the same time, okay? All right, so I got it until I hit something. So I'm hitting something, it can't go any further. All right, so now we're gonna pull it out. And so far nothing. That's concerning. Like I should have got water out of this already. Uh-oh, we just pulled the whole thing out. Look at the gunk inside there. See that? Jeez. Okay, well now we got the tube out. The only problem is if there's anything in there, maybe it's already dumped in the blower motor. Oh, there it goes.
Here.
Okay, give me the hose.
The hose?
Yep. The other end that plugs into this thing. All right. So I'm gonna try and plug it back in before it leaks all over the full runner. No, no, in the pickle jar, in the pickle jar. Oh.
Uh-oh.
The pickle jar's getting full, CJ.
Okay.
It's not full yet. All right, go ahead and empty it. I'm gonna try and plug this hose in. Oh man, what a mess. This would have been better if it would have, drained where I wanted it to drain.
Look at all this water.
Well, this is why you have WeatherTech mats.
Yeah.
Capture all the water. Okay, I think now we're either clogged again or it's empty. So let's do it like this. So then when I stick it through, I'll never get it out because it'll get caught on something. Okay, let's try that. Might be hard to run it through this hose like that, but. Okay, now it's all the way through. We're kind of running it back and forth. And we're gonna see what comes out. More gunk. Not a whole lot, but look at all that's in there.
Wow.
So somehow we're gonna need to get in there and clean all that, or maybe run some drain cleaner and throw it in the vent and see what happens. That may be the next solution. Okay, let's start the truck. So that's the hole right there where the top of that tube is. Maybe you can see something. Probably not. I'll give CJ some angles so he can do a red circle or something. Let's see if we can get any more nastiness out of there. So I'm gonna drain this that we have right now. Okay. And then see if we get any more by running it. So this is how it should normally drain. You know, it should be just kind of creeping out of there. So it looks pretty clean. I know it's not extremely clean in there. I really want to take one of these vents off and like pour some green gobbler in there, so whatever drain stuff, and see if that does anything. Oh, something came out, looks like. Piece of paper? Oh wait, that was in there? Alright, how can we get these AC vents? What's the easiest way? I would think through here. That means I gotta take all of this off to take that off. We'll run that hanger through there again after we contaminated it with the dirt on the ground and see if I get anything else out. So you gotta run it. Uh-oh. Damn it. Well, now you know how far it has to go. This far. I'm gonna see if I can you see this hole? Anything come out? Guess we'll see in post-production. I ran that coat hanger in there and kind of swirled it around the bottom, what I could get a hold of. Let's shake the truck. See what that does. Oh, here it comes. I see it. See it in the corner there? All that sediment. Oh, I'm about to break this 20-year-old truck. You're such a good helper, CJ. You're the best. Okay, let's see what we got. There's definitely stuff in there. Okay. And there's more coming out. So it's definitely worthwhile trying to put some type of Drano or green gobbler or whatever. Wonder what the filter looks like. Sturdy. I've even got like 10 of these to replace it with. So what's probably happening, since you can see it doesn't seal very well, the stuff's probably getting past it. Uh-oh. Random wire got in there. Stop draining. Okay, what's in there now? More gunk. You want to eat it?
Ew.
Tastes like black mold. There's more. Yeah, it's just going to keep clogging up until we get it all out. Okay. Oh, you're past your GoPro break. You missed it. Now you're going to get a 2.0. That's all right. Instead of 1.0 XXX, you're going to get a 2.0, and it's going to be hard to find. But you're the best video editor out there, CJ. You got it. All right. So that's how to do it. And it'll give you a temporary solution until you get it all cleaned out. So at some point, the other hack way, put your Drano inside here, inside a vent, and then it should find its way down there. And then you'll have to get your pickle jar and do all that stuff again to see how you're progressing. Or you take all this off, the whole dash, take it all out, and take your HVAC, all that apart, and clean it manually with a brush and bleach. You choose. Okay, if you want to know where that drain is, it's right there. It comes out right there. So there's your exhaust manifold. Right, there's the firewall. There's your little drain tube. And it just leaks on top of the frame. So I hope you got your frame protected on there. Thanks, EJ. Thanks for your help. Best helper ever. See ya in the comments.